everyone, welcome to this video where we will have a quick introduction to the volume of a cone. So what is a cone? Well, there are a few things that I wish to highlight as measured from the vertex, which is at the very top. Okay. This particular height is actually the perpendicular distance or the perpendicular height from the vertex to the base. And in this case, the base is a circle. So this is my height, perpendicular height of the cone. There is also this thing called the slanted height or the slant height, which is here, which is this line segment from the vertex again. Well, now though it is to a point on this circular base. Okay. And of course, there's this base radius. Why do we need radius? Because we are dealing with a circle. Okay. So if the perpendicular height passes through the center of the base, then it is what we call a right circular cone in figure 1. It is at the center. Otherwise, it is an oblique circular cone where the height is taken from the top all the way to the horizontal level or horizontal plane of the base. Okay, in this case, you can see that the height is actually measured as such. And so, since we already know the volume of a pyramid, we could actually extend that knowledge to cone. So, volume of a cone is simply 1/3 times the base area, in this case a circle, times the perpendicular height. Okay, and because it is always a circle, I hope you remember that the area of a circle is equals to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle measured from the center to the circumference. And so if I already know the base area is pi r square, and I shall use the letter h to denote my height, well, this is what people usually remember: 1/3 pi r square h, where the h is the height that is measured from the vertex to perpendicular to the base. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.